The week can feel long and busy. But for me, the weekend changes everything. Monday to Friday, my days are full. I work, I teach, and I make videos. I wake up early every morning. And I always feel a little tired. But then the weekend comes. And everything slows down. Saturday is my favorite day. I don't set an alarm. I sleep in, just a little. I wake up slowly and feel calm. The first thing I do is make coffee. I sit by the window and drink it. I watch the quiet world outside. The morning is soft and slow. I have no rush, and no plans. And that feeling is wonderful. In the morning, I clean my home. I open the windows for fresh air. I wash my clothes and tidy my room. It's simple work, but I like it. A clean home makes me happy. In the afternoon, I go outside. I walk to the park near my home. The sun is warm and bright. I see families, dogs, and children playing. Sometimes I sit on a bench and read. Other times, I just watch the trees. I feel free and relaxed. Later, I meet my friends. We drink coffee and talk for hours. We laugh about small, silly things. These simple moments mean a lot to me. Sunday is a slower day. I like to stay at home. I cook a nice lunch for myself. I'm not a great cook, but I try. The smell of food fills my home. In the afternoon, I read a good book. Or I watch a movie on the sofa. Sometimes I do nothing at all. And that is perfectly fine. I love the weekend because it is mine. No work, no rush, no stress. Just time to rest and to breathe. The weekend helps me feel like myself again. It gives me energy for the new week. Last Sunday was a special one. The weather was clear and perfect. So I made a small plan. I took a book, some coffee, and a blanket. I went to the park in the morning. I found a quiet spot under a tree. I read, I rested, and I watched the sky. Hours passed, but I didn't notice. It was a simple day. But it made me very happy. So here is a small idea for you. This weekend, try to slow down. Turn off your phone for 1 hour. Go outside, or read a book. Do something quiet, just for you. You don't need a big plan. The best weekends are often the simple ones. For me, the weekend is a small gift. It's a time to rest and to smile. And I hope your weekends are happy too. Thank you for spending this time with me. You listened to English today. And that is wonderful. If you enjoy these calm, easy stories, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it helps me so much. We'll learn together again, in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.